Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlike all posts on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, we need to go to our profile on Instagram. You can click on this profile icon, and then you're going to click on these three lines and go to your activity. Okay, and since we want to unlike all posts, we need to go to the likes, and here are the liked videos of my Instagram account. And then if you want to unlike all of the posts, you need to select them all like this. And once you're done select the videos or the post, you can click on unlike. Okay, and click on unlike again, and just wait for a moment until the videos or posts are unliked. Alright guys, and that's all the way to unlike all posts or videos on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.